Okay guys, back here at the boss. Not really doing much work today, just getting in my head and doing a material list of what I'm actually going to need. But I was thinking, it's getting pretty darn cold out, and I'm going to have to install that diesel heater like right soon. If I want to be working in here and having it warm. But it got me thinking, the original bus heating system, reusing parts of it. Now I'll show you what I mean. So this is the actual cover that covered the lines, the cooling lines that went to the rear heaters, right? So if I just block this end off, these vents come up and over the wheel well, and I'd be able to pipe in. If I install my diesel heater like back here, I'd be able to pipe one of the lines in, because not only will the metal heat up and help radiate the heat, but with the vents it'll help get the front of the bus a little warmer. And so I'll have one outlet coming here because they come with a T. So if I T one into the end there and one back here, yeah, that'll work out really well. So I'm just going to beat all these flat. I'm going to beat all these flat and clean it up and then paint it. Just trim clad it black. And by the time it gets here and the air stops here and is forced back to come out here, this is going to heat up pretty good, and this will add, just the surface of this metal will add a lot of warmth to this. So yeah, that's going to work out really good. So thanks again to the donator who donated the $100 towards the diesel heater. I've got it sitting in the C can. I just got to install it. But yeah, that's going to work out really well. So that's my project until payday. I'm going to clean all that up to be able to reuse it and paint it. All right. So yeah, another thing I did was install my Ring camera, because I do have Wi-Fi. I have a tablet. I have my tablet. I'm just charging it right now. And I got my Ring camera set up right there. Just temporary. Keep an eye on the bus when I'm not here. So the tablet, I can put it inside the C can. And I've already tested it. It still connects with the Wi-Fi really good because it's not far. But yeah, I'll be able to check on the bus when I'm not here. Sweet. But yeah, lots of the little itty bitty things that are gonna make a huge difference, like coming up with the idea for the heater is like awesome. Because yeah, that surface area being heated up, that's going to radiate a lot of heat. Cool. Because there is nothing that's going to be going there. And if there is, there'll be a couch right over top of this wheel well. And the vents don't start until there. Sweet. Alright. Just keep on thinking of different stuff. Cool. Alright, so I'm going to guess by Wednesday, Thursday, I'll have heat in the bus. Be styling. Alright, cheers guys.